Hi people, today I want to show you my latest model, and that's Logan, old version. And usually I would just share my time lapse of the entire process, but sometimes I do stupid stuff. Well, I mean, always I do stupid stuff, sometimes twice per day, sometimes more, but I sometimes try to push software to do something that it really shouldn't do, and that causes entire software to just crash, which kind of sucks because I lose all the data. So instead of that, I decided that today I'm gonna talk about the entire process and why I did model in this way. Also, I'm gonna use some stuff to show you how I do cheap rub and buff. So, stick around. So, I always have to start with so. I don't know why, but it's driving me nuts. It's always so. So, this is, god damn it. This is the final model. It's a carrot edition, and the reason why I did it like this was because I started overthinking stuff. I just didn't want to make a typical Wolverine or typical Logan. My inspiration was the old Logan comic book, and in that comic book he's in different multiverse, and there's a lot of weird stuff happening to him. So I decided that I should make my Logan from some other universe that we haven't seen yet. So in this universe he's old, kind of fat, his body is not in the greatest shape. You can see that his legs feel really heavy and his knees are giving up. His stance is kind of weird. He just did a lot of bad stuff. You can see in the base there's Charles Xavier's school. The ground itself is made as, the idea was to have some kind of slippery wet ground, but also at the same time I wanted to make something that almost looks like a quicksand, so it's eating everything alive. People asked about this head. Who is that? I had that head modeled before I started Logan, and I knew that I'm gonna use it somehow. So I started thinking, like, who could it actually be? And because I did the entire research, I've found about Dakan, his son, his enemy, and at the end Logan actually killed the guy. Yeah, bummer. So I decided I'm gonna hint that it's him, and that's more or less it. Now I'm just gonna show you how I do rub and buff. So we're gonna use this guy and just first spray it with black. And after that we're gonna use this acrylic copper and do the magic. This thing got dry and it looks pretty good. So right now I'm gonna just grab one of the sponges I took from my wife and a little bit of acrylic. I'm gonna just put it like that. Thing is that you just need to spread the color so it's barely there. I'm gonna use a little bit more so you just need to wipe it off like that, and then you grab a model and just start doing strokes, and you can see the magic starts to happen. that's it. I really hope you guys have liked this video. If you have, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that and hit the bell next to it so you can get notified whenever I'm releasing a new video. This model is available now on my Patreon page. I'll put the link in the description. And as always, I really hope I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.